Good morning. We are at our home in South Carolina. Today we are mounting a memento to our Leopard 48. We had a flagpole that was on our Leopard. When we installed the solar panels, we took the flagpole off, but it was just such an awesome flagpole, we couldn't get rid of it. So we carried it with us for many years. And now we are mounting the flagpole on our dock walkway, and
on July 3rd.
On July 3rd.
Or what, I don't know, second maybe, I don't know.
Yeah, it's second.
Yeah.
But anyway, and it is right on the 250th anniversary that we are going to go ahead and raise the flag.
There you go.
That's it. Flag is raised.
I like it.
Flying. Looks great.
I think it looks good.
Thanks, Stephen.
I'll just tie this off for now because I don't have a cleat.
And happy 250th 4th of July, everyone.